Welcome back to the Great Baking Supply Scavenger Hunt. I'm coming to you from Joann Craft Store. Let me show you some of the wonderful things they have in this store. Let's start with cake decorating. They have the boards for your cakes that help support your cakes, as well as the big boards that help you support like your wedding cakes or heavier cakes. And you come forward here, we have our cupcake liners. They got them all different patterns and colors, from your very small to your regular size to the beautiful extra large ones like this that makes it a little more fancy. Then you have your storage, like your boxes and things that you can deliver your supplies in. Well, come on this way. And now we have sprinkles in all different colors. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look how beautiful that is. And you can't find these just anywhere. And it's nice to be able to come in here and just grab them and go. Got your sprinkles, all different colors. And also, in our last video, we talked about cookie icing. And look at this, it's already colored up. Only thing you have to do is just turn it and then start cookie decorating. This is excellent and it's a great time. And that's a great trend, and it's that silver and gold trend. It makes things look very glamorous and fancy. And these are called cake sequins, and this you can use on a wedding cake, or you can even use them on cupcakes, and it'll give you that nice glitter and glam that you're looking for. It comes in silver as well as gold. And also they have the spray mist where you can spray your cupcakes or your cakes with the silver as well. And if we come up here just a little bit, did you guys know that you can actually paint on cakes? And you can use this is a paint set has the different colors that you can use to paint. You can use a brush, or you can use a spray machine to spray on the cakes. And remember one of the other courses I was talking about, we have our gel colors. Now I love gel colors, and they have a lot of different colors here. You use a little bit of color and it'll make your icing whatever the same color as what's available here on the top. And down here, if you look here, you have your cake flavor, your flavorings for your cakes like almond and lemon and vanilla. And one thing I wanted to point out to you is we have your icing tips. And these tips here, as you can see, if you lose one or need to replace one, you can buy these one at a time instead of buying them in a set. And the great thing about here is you have them individual, as well as they have them packaged here, where you can have different decorations, the tips will make different decorations and make it easy for you to have more than one tip. If you come down a little bit further, you have a lot of different baking supplies. Okay, now you have your decorating tips, and you have your individual tips here, as well as they have a whole pack of different tips that you can decorate with different styles. Now the one thing that's great about having individual tips is that you don't have to replace your whole set. You can replace them individually, and that will come in handy for you. If you come down a little bit further here, we're going to talk about our cookie cutters. They have a wonderful selection of cookie cutters. You can get them individually as well as a set if you have a particular theme, or you can have a whole box of different cutters that will have like numbers as well as animal shapes. And then if you look over to your right, over this way, you have your cooking utensils, from your spatulas all the way up to they have a great section of silicone cooking utensils. And silicone is heat resistant as well as dishwasher safe. And down here at the bottom we have a cake turntable, and this is going to be a great tool to use with your cake decorating. This one tilts, as well as you can use it to decorate your cookies as well. Now let's head over to our cake pans. They have a great supply of baking pans, from your 2-inch more traditional pan all the way to your 3-inch, which is used more so for specialty cakes and wedding cakes. They also have a nice wide variety of, they even have a set where you'll have several different sizes all in one package, which is great. And then they have special sizes like this. They have your more heavier, dark coated pans, as well as your cooling racks. They also have great silicone baking supplies, which allows you to pop whatever you're making right out. It's easy to clean, and you can use these over and over and over again. And remember, these are dishwasher safe as well. And also, we have something called cake release. And if you're using your cake pans, you can put the cake release on your cake pan, and it'll keep your cake from sticking to the bottom and the sides of your pan. And they also have this is called spray and seal, and this is something that you will spray on your cake to keep the crumbs from going into the icing, and that'll save you a lot of time when it comes to decorating. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Well, these are all the great supplies here. There's much more. Thanks for joining me on the great baking scavenger hunt here at Joann. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode.